What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transcribe with Otter.ai. So we're currently on Otter.ai and all we'll need to do is to click on record, and this can be found at the top middle section of our screen. Click on it and you can see it's identifying your microphone. So we're going to be trying some things out. Of course you can see welcome guys to this Otter transcription test, and we're happy to try it out. So we think this is quite responsive and we're happy to show you how you can transcribe your live speech on Otter.ai. Now there is a button for pausing, stopping. So we're going to click on stop recording. Now, of course, that's not showing right here in this browser, but that might just be a little glitch. So you can see that we have our transcription from what we were saying while it was recording. And after clicking on the particular note, you can see that we have our transcription right there. And you can see that we can copy it and paste it anywhere we want. For example, we can post on Slack or share. Now, let's say we want to transcribe an audio or a video from another tab, right? So now we just shared our screen to say record while we're playing this video on our channel, right? So we're going to click on this video. So currently we're here on Canva and we have an edit error. We just created a new page and we're going to be putting an image right here. So as you can see, this image is really... So as you can see, it's actually transcribing exactly what we have playing on another tab. And it's also actually transcribing what I'm saying. So that's actually fine. So you can see that this works whether you're transcribing from your speech or transcribing from another video. We're going to look for the stop button here. Once again, we still have this glitch. Hopefully this is not happening on yours too. We can click on stop recording. And of course you might want to change your browser, but already this, I know where to press on the pause and stop button, and that's not a problem for me for now. And you can see we have our transcription, whether we're recording from our voice or from another tab. So go ahead and try it out to see how you can transcribe with Otter.ai.